Where are you from? ته د کوم ځای نه یې؟ Where are you from? I can make you believe. زه تا یقیني کولی شم. I can make you believe. Hello, who is this? Hello, څوک یې؟ Hello, who is this? Who is speaking? څوک خبرې کوي؟ Who is speaking? Can you hear me? زما आवाज درځي؟ Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. او ستا आवाज راځي؟ Yes, I can hear you. My phone is ringing. زما فون بجاویږي. My phone is ringing. What are you doing? ته څه کوې؟ What are you doing? May I sit next to you? آیا زه ستا خوا کې کېناستی شم؟ May I sit next to you? Let's see. ځئ چې وګورو. Let's see. Let's go. ځئ چې ځو. Let's go. Don't trouble me. ما تنګوه ما. Don't trouble me. Take me along too. ما هم در سره بوزه. Take me along too. Repeat again and again. بیا بیا یې تکرار کړه. Repeat again and again. You are my best friend. ته زما خوږ ملګری یې. You are my best friend. She needs me. هغې ته زما ضرورت دی. She needs me. Keep walking straight. نیغ روان اوسه. Keep walking straight. Help me now. وس ما سره کومک وکړه. کومک یعنی مدد. Help me now. Will you go today? آیا ته به نن ځې؟ Will you go today? It's dark now. وس تیاره ده. It's dark now. You keep learning. ته زده کول جاري ساته. You keep learning. How mean are you? ته څومره مطلبي یې. How mean are you? What did he say? هغه څه وویل؟ What did he say? I'm feeling shy. ما له شرم راځي. I'm feeling shy. I have work now. وس زما کار دی. I have work now. Talk to me. ما سره خبرې وکړه. Talk to me. Now it's my turn. وس زما نمبر دی. Now it's my turn. Don't argue with me. زما سره بحث مه کوه. Don't argue with me. I am feeling pain. په ما تکلیف دی. I am feeling pain. Don't lie too much. سیوا دروغ مه وایه. Don't lie too much. Be sensible. پویه جوړ شه. Be sensible. Don't give up. خار مه منه. Don't give up. Walk slowly. په قلاره ګرځه. Walk slowly. Talk with manners. په تمیز سره خبرې کوه. Talk with manners. Call him. هغه راوغواړه. Call him. What's the matter? څه خبره ده؟ What's the matter? She trusts me. د هغې په ما باور دی. She trusts me. She is smart. هغه چالاکه ده. She is smart. It's my responsibility. دا زما ذمه داری ده. It's my responsibility. I'm an early riser. زه سحر وختي پاسم. I'm an early riser. Something is fishy. څه خو ګډوډ دي. Something is fishy. May God bless you. خدای دې تا وبخي. May God bless you. May God live you long. خدای دې تا له ډېر عمر درکړي. May God live you long. I understood. زه پوه شوم. I understood. Who knows? چا ته پته. Who knows? Be with me. ما سره اوسه. Be with me. Do not wink. سترګه مه وهه. Do not wink. Don't do it. دا مه کوه. Don't do it. Go at once. زر ځه. Go at once. Go straight. نیغ ځه. Go straight. Don't be stupid. احمق مه جوړیږه. Don't be stupid. Don't tell a lie. دروغ مه وایه. Don't tell a lie. Don't touch it. دې له ګوتې مه وړه. Don't touch it. Are you there? آیا ته دغلته یې؟ Are you there? Don't follow me. ما مه تعقیبوه. Don't follow me. You are so innocent. ته ډېر بوله یې. You are so innocent. Wait for me. زما انتظار کوه. Wait for me. Do it now. دا وس وکړه. Do it now. Don't spit. تو کم ما. Don't spit. Make the bed. کټ سم کړه. Make the bed. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.